Alright, so it was like -2 last night, degrees Celsius, and we're going to do a cold start. You can see the frost in the windshield. What you don't want to do is jump into a cold M5 E60 V10 and go rearing and tearing around until it's warmed up. That's why people have rod bearing issues. So we'll do a cold start here for you. I'm going to open the exhaust up, by the way, too. Let you rev it to 6 grand right now. You just want to let that sit and idle when it's cold like this. I generally, as a rule, don't rev it over like 4,000 until that oil temperature's up at least to 75. And normal operating temperatures is just below 100 unless you're really beating on it. You can hear it starting to calm down a little now. But even still, on cold days, let them warm up because 1060's real thick.